Hello everyone, this is Glad Wonders. In this video, we are exploring Karighatta Hill, located in Mandya district, Karnataka, which is about 26 kilometers from Mysore. I have shared the Google Maps location in the description, you can use it. I went to Karighatta Hill to see its beautiful sunset. But before reaching the hill, on the way I explored Lokapavani river, which flows into the Kaveri river. It was a peaceful and relaxing spot, which you can see. After spending some time by the riverside, I continued my journey to Karighatta Hill. Down of the hill, you can see a canal irrigation system built around the hill, which looks amazing, especially from the top. The route has some hairpin bends, making the drive an enjoyable experience. Let me show you the roads, the hill and the canal irrigation system through some drone shots. Hope you enjoyed the drone view. Now, once you reach the top, there's a temple. Behind the temple, you will find the main viewpoint. You have to walk some steps, and when you walk through the area, it feels like stepping into a mini forest. I loved it. Finally, we are at the sunset spot in Karighatta Hill, and enjoy the sunset with me. Hope you enjoy this video. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until then, it's bye from Glad Wonders. Stay tuned. God bless you.